Hello there, my name is Cynthia. In the previous videos, we saw what is SEO in digital marketing and what are the important ranking factors to rank your website on the Google SERP. Some marketers over-optimize on these ranking factors, due to which instead of getting rankings on the SERP, their website gets penalized. These are called black hat SEO practices, and in today's video, we will look into it more in detail. So let's get started. 10 years ago, many marketers assumed that SEO is a manipulative marketing technique which was all about cheating the algorithm and using tactics to make Google think your website was the best result for the search query. Google's algorithm was less advanced to identify any web spam. However, now times have changed and Google's algorithm has become smarter to identify as well as penalize website spammers. So what is black hat SEO? Black hat SEO are tactics that are used to rank a website that violates search engine guidelines. Black hat SEO techniques attempt to manipulate search engine's algorithm to increase a site's ranking on the SERP.
Google has made it very clear which types of practices go against their terms and potential outcome if you violate their guidelines.
Black hat SEO practices will ultimately lead to lower ranking positions and decline in website traffic. Now let us see the 7 techniques which fall under black hat SEO tactics which you need to avoid. The first is poor content quality. Poor content that is of no value to the searcher is one of the highly practiced black hat SEO tactic that you need to avoid. This includes automatically generated content, duplicate content, spinned content with the use of an article spinner, or thin content. It is not easy to create content. That is the reason content is called the king in digital marketing. Therefore, invest time and efforts to create fresh and unique content which will add value to the readers. The words and sentences in the content should be easy to read and understand. Write in paragraphs, use images, infographics and videos to make your content more engaging to the users. The next black hat SEO tactic is keyword stuffing.
Keyword stuffing, as the name suggests, is the tactic of adding the targeted keywords too many times in the content. This loses the value of the entire content.
Repeating your main target keyword excessively in the content will not help you in the ranking. Adding the keywords unnecessarily across the page which do not make sense to the sentences when it is read out loud is highly risky. So do not fall for this tactic which will only cause more destruction to your website. Add the keywords on the page for a few times only if it makes sense in the content. Do not add the keywords just for namesake. The next black hat SEO tactic is cloaking. Cloaking is a tactic that involves serving different content or URL to users and different content or URL to search. It involves providing a different user experience to search engines and to people. For example, to search engines, it will show a content which has a lot of text, and to users, it will show content which has only images or videos. This is a clear attempt to rank a page based on content created for search engines while pointing users to somewhere different. This is a deceptive practice, making it a violation to search engine guidelines. So make pages for users and not for search engine. Give the best possible experience to the visitors on your website, and there is a good chance that search engines will also love your website. The next black hat SEO tactic which many marketers use is building paid or manipulative links. Many marketers pay to the owners of the websites to get links. According to Google, links should not be purchased, but links should be earned. Links from other websites are considered as editorial votes of trust from one website to another. This means you should avoid tactics such as paid links that do not contain rel is equal to no follow or rel is equal to sponsored attribute, excessive link exchanges, spamming in blog comments, forum spam, automated link building, building links from spammy directories and bookmarking websites, site-wide footer or sidebar links, excessive use of exact matched anchor text on the content while taking links. The next black hat SEO tactic is misleading redirects. Redirecting is the act of sending the user to a different URL than the one they initially requested for. The good reason to give a redirect is when the URL or page is no longer available or has been shifted to a new page of the same website or to another website. There is nothing wrong with this. It is the preferred method of ensuring your site is well organized and easily accessible by the users as well as search engine crawlers. However, similar to cloaking, some redirects are placed by black hat SEO to deceive search engines and display content that's different from what a user sees. Oftentimes, a search engine will index the original page, while users are redirected to a different destination URL. This is regarded as a black hat SEO tactic that violates Google's Webmaster Guidelines. The next SEO tactic is associating into private blog networks, that is PN. A private blog network is a bunch of authoritative websites which are solely used for link building. They aim to exaggerate the number of links pointing to a website. Each PNB site links to the site they want to boost in the search result but do not link to each other. Black hat SEOs wanting to build private blog network will buy expired domains which already have built up authority. They write similar content which was already there on the existing website and add links to their own website. So do not fall for such tactics. The next black hat SEO is negative SEO. Some unethical marketers use negative SEO to reduce their competitors' rank. They use these tactics on competitors' website to violate Google's guideline. This means pointing large numbers of unnatural links to someone else's website so that it gets penalized. Though Google is getting better at ignoring the links which get originated from such attacks, it is important to be aware of this and regularly analyze your link profile, but also disavow spammy links. So make sure that you do not practice any of these black hat SEO tactics, because it will not increase your ranking but it will rather cause destruction to your own website. And keep an eye on your link profile. I hope you gained knowledge from this video, and if yes, then please click on the thumbs up button below and also subscribe to our channel. We keep adding more information on digital marketing topics, so stay tuned.